Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to recharge coin in Poppo using GCash. So let's start. So first you have to go to the principal page of Poppo for players, and then here you have enter UID. This is the amount that you want from coins, and you can select also the package. There are many huge packages here. As you can see, 70,000 coins, 210 coins, and 700,000 coins, or million coins, a million coins, depending on what you want. Then scroll down and you will see the payment method here. You can go to coin here and you can select the GCash account here. So as you can see, only select. You have to fill the email address here. Okay, and here you can create a top-up guide for the product. And when you check here, you can also add in the right side the coupon or promo code, depending on what you want. And when you are ready, just buy it. You can buy the credits here with your GCash without any problem. As you can see, it's very easy. Remember to use everything, to fill everything correctly for avoid troubles here. So you can start using it, guys. Well, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.